fried eggplant tamarind stew or fried aubergine tamarind stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the tamarind recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried eggplant recipes and one of the most delicious of the aubergine recipes, one of the most different of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make fried eggplant tamarind sauce stew. Or fried aubergine tamarind sauce stew. The ingredients are around 5 to 6 tender eggplants or tamarind cut through the middle into 4 pieces and soaked in water so as to let out the bitter taste. The next ingredients are around 10 grams of peanuts, 2 red chillies, around 15 grams of white sesame, around 2 spoons of coriander seeds, 25 grams of garlic, 1 green chili cut into pieces, around 25 to 50 grams of coconut grated, 25 grams of ginger, 1 onion cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Now put in the onion pieces, salt, the onion pieces thoroughly. Put in the ginger and the garlic, ginger, salt, thoroughly saute the ginger with the onion pieces. Now put in the coriander seeds and the white sesame seeds and the peanut and the red chili, salt, thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly. Until the onions start losing their pinkish color. Now put in the garlic and the grated coconut, salt, keep on salt, thoroughly sauteing it. Keep on sauteing. this mixture cool, and this mixture can be flown to make the gravy. Heat the pan and pour in 15 to 20 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the aubergine. And let it fry in the oil. Caramel salt, Aubergines in the oil. Take off the pan. And keep it aside. Now put in the mustard seeds and let it pop. Now put in the chili. sauce thoroughly. Now put in a spoon of chili powder, salt, now put in the ground coconut peanut mixture that is ground already. Stop and mix thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Salt and mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Now put in salt to taste. Thoroughly salt. Mix the salt into the mixture. Now put in the aubergine. Mix. Salt and mix thoroughly. Keep on sauteing and mixing for 3 to 4 minutes. Now pour in tamarind water. We have dissolved 50 grams of tamarind in water and squeezed out the tamarind. Mix and let this mixture cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Now the fried eggplant tamarind sauce stew or fried aubergine tamarind sauce stew is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final fried eggplant tamarind sauce stew or fried aubergine tamarind sauce stew or Katrika. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Aubergine recipes and one of the most unique of the eggplant recipes and one of the most delicious of the tamarind recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.